guys, welcome back. Yours truly, Macon here. If you are a regular watcher or follower, first of all, I thank you dearly. Then you also know I love a rock and roll chic outfit moment. May I please show you my latest piece from D Squared? Come on, is this top not everything? Okay, Macon, what does this have to do with Christmas decorations? Well, I have always wanted to do a rock and roll, chic inspired black themed Christmas decor. I now have the black sofa and the wallpaper with the black accents in my bedroom. Okay, it was about time. But wait, before you click off because you think ick, black Christmas decor is not my thing. Please, give me the chance to show you it doesn't have to be goth and morbid, but it can be very elegant and classic. Let's get started. But real quick, this was the complete outfit I ordered, paid for and was confirmed. Received an email that my order was shipped, but items could be shipped separately. So I was not shocked as only the top arrived. But then I received an email that my money was being refunded for the pants. No explanation why. Not cool, D Square. You occupy way too much space in my closet rent-free to treat me like that. My costs, my investments. You got your first strike, and I don't mean bowling. We playing baseball here. Now we can get started. Using one of my antique tree stands from my collection, I started putting together my new tree. Using the link I supplied you in the last Christmas decor video, I ordered the same fir tree, but just in a smaller size. Of course, my beloved easy peasy lights. I will repost the links for both the tree and the lights again in the description box of this video. Okay guys, I love really big Christmas balls. When I ordered these, they came a lot larger than what I expected. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use these to kind of like decorate around the bottom. And instead of a skirt, I'm just gonna have large Christmas balls down there. So I got about 8 of these, but I think I'm only gonna use 4. Guys, next I have these beautiful baubles here. I got 4 of each. Now listen, everything I'm putting on this tree I ordered from Amazon, so all links will be down below in the description box. So anything that you fancy, you can order yourself. Love these ones. They remind me of lace, rock and roll, leather and lace. Candy canes and bonbons. I want some glossy balls. before I start adding in some more of the bonbons. I found this cute ornament. You see it? Black leather eau de parfum. Let's give it a star position right here on the front. Black glitter branches. Let's get these in here. Oh, I got fell for a candy cane. I'm gonna have to put some pine branches in here like we did the other one to fill it up a little bit. Should I go and get those now? I decided to create some clusters of one silver, one black matte, and one shiny black ball ornament. You guys, something was just missing, okay? I felt I needed more black. Maybe I should have gone with a black tree or maybe a flocked tree that the black ornaments would pop more, but it was late and we needed to go to dinner. Okay, I had about 70 to 80 pure black balls of varying sizes. So after dinner, I strung them together to make 2 ornament garlands, just twisting a loop in the wire for each end. I strung one here to match up with this small cluster on the left, then placed the larger cluster here on the right to complete the curve. And then I placed the second one. Pulled the black twigs further out of the tree branches to give a more effective aesthetic. And added more larger clusters with the pearl silver baubles. Then I remembered I had these faux calla lilies, and I decided to spray them matte black. Yeah, and of course mishaps happened. I knocked off one of my clusters while sticking in the lilies. Hey guys, and what do you think? My notes? Yeah, I like, but I use the black and white candy canes and bonbons to keep it, a little whimsical, and maybe I would probably not use them again, as well as the black and white larger balls. They are gorgeous, but it just ends up looking a little too Harlequin-like. I believe if you are going to do black, then all black with the little silver or the pearl gray matte balls like I use. Would I try next time with a black tree? Maybe. Of course, something like this is way too extreme. But finding an elegant, happy medium, yeah, I'd try it again. Like I always say, you just have to dare to decorate. I wish you happy decorating and a very Merry Christmas and happy holidays. And as always, yours truly, Heart Megan. Ciao! Okay guys, I love really big balls. Maybe I should rephrase that. I love really big Christmas balls. Okay, we gotta edit that out. Oh my goodness. Okay, rewind.